Fakir Apparels Ltd, established in 1998, is located in an industrial zone in Narayanganj, which is approximately an hour-long drive from the capital city. The roots of Fakir Enterprises dates back to the 1960s, when the true founder, Alhaji Yusuf Ali Fakir, took his first step into the industry and began trading textile raw materials and fabrics. Several decades of knowledge, experience, and passion gathered during that time led to the culmination of Fakir Group and the RMG giant that is Fakir Apparels. Over 20 years since its inception, Fakir Apparels has grown around 15% year-on-year. Today, our operations span from vertically integrated knits manufacturing to woven cut-to-ship operations in separate units in the same compound. Our team of 11,000 people are our greatest strength, with a male-to-female ratio of around 13:7. Across the organization, our knits division comprises of 140 sewing lines that produces over 150 million units of knit garments every year. This is supported by our vertically integrated textile mills, which produces 55 tons of knit fabric per day. Our woven operations began in 2018 that offers a diverse range of products, from washed bottoms, padded jackets to heavy and technical outerwear jackets, coats, and technical sportswear as well. The woven division currently comprises of 25 lines, currently producing over 2 million units annually. Our product footprint exists in over 45 countries, including Europe, North America, Middle East, and Asia, which are our prime markets. Mission and vision. We at Fakir Apparels Ltd aim to enhance people's competencies and enable them to embrace world-class manufacturing practices and processes. They also aim to create opportunities for the professional growth of their people. The company is committed to exceeding the quality standards of best brands worldwide while particularly committing to sustainability requirements. They aim to create a culture of innovation in product development and in all processes. The company also aims to consolidate relationships with their esteemed suppliers and make them partners in growth. They aim to harness ICT to its full potential and apply tools and processes like ERP, EPM, by and exploring Industry 4.0 to significantly improve efficiencies. The company aims to challenge conventional methods of garment manufacturing through pioneering innovations in design, processes, and practices that will accelerate their shift towards a sustainable future.